Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn some compound word. This is it's very essential for you if you want. And now Maria is with me. I will ask you some question and Maria will answer this word. And if I say Bangla word, you have to speak English. And if I say English, you have to say Bangla. Okay? Okay. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Mongora.
Airy fairy,
Airy fairy. Okay. Gulmal.
Humpty Dumpty,
Hotogul.
Portable, Highly Berry,
Harley barley. Okay. Akabaka.
Zigzag,
জিগজাগ আঁকাবাঁকা ওকে জনসাধারণের সবচেয়ে খারাপ অংশ
Riff Raff,
riffraff. Okay, that's great. If you think that is very essential to you, please memorize this word. You can use it in your real life. Thank you so much.